Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I will be telling you how you can swap one crypto to another on Binance. So first of all, log into your account, then click on trade, and here you will see the option of Binance convert. Just click on it, and here select the crypto of your choice. Suppose I want to convert BNB, and in place of BNB I want Ethereum, so I will just select Ethereum here, and on from menu I will type the amount of BNB that I want to convert, and then just click on preview conversion, and you will be able to convert your BNB into Ethereum or the crypto of your choice. And this transaction will take place on the current market rate. And in order to do transactions on your preferred rate, then click on limit. Here select the cryptos, suppose BNB, and here Ethereum. Now suppose I want to convert 100 BNB, so I will type in 100, and current market price is this. And suppose I want to convert it at a higher rate, then I will type 5 here. And in the expire section, select the number of days you want your transaction to be alive. Suppose if this pair never hits 5 in one day, your transaction will get expired in one day without your crypto being converted from BNB to Ethereum. So suppose I select a week, 7 days. So if in 7 days it hits 5, it will be converted into Ethereum. If not, then transaction will never happen, and just place order. And that's how easy it is to convert one crypto to another on Binance. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.